Well, I decided to attend today's workshop because I've heard a lot about this university, the resources it provides in terms of the course. I think it would be a great opportunity to learn more about becoming a barrister as a whole, the steps I need to take to make that process really successful. And from what I've learned today, I'm much more prepared than I was when I walked through the door, so I'm definitely glad I came.
Knowing how the bar process works can be quite tricky, and it can be quite difficult by just looking online, for example. So coming to these interviews and speaking to, or listening rather, to people like Mark is really important because they can give you accurate explanations as to how the process works and give you tips that you just can't access otherwise. And you get to speak to current students, which is always really helpful in making your decision on coming to the bar.
I think the reason students should study the bar course here is essentially we run selection events, and what that means is that every student on the course has gone through that selection criteria. When you couple that with outstanding employability service and outstanding teaching, and I've certainly experienced that myself, I think it leads to very, very high levels of learning here on the course.